So what are standards, and why are they necessary? I'm wondering if any of you have used these standards before, or if you are familiar with drawings, or you are working in the design office, any drawing. For example, are you using ACAD? You know, ACAD for drawing in your design office. Normally, you know, in electrical companies, or most of companies, they have a design office and some software in order to be able to do the design, concept design or detail design. So I'm just wondering if any of you are involved in doing any of this one. I saw that Ken Henley is from Canada, and I'm not sure what about Kevin Sweeney or Kichiri and Mahdi. So if you can also leave a note that where you are located, it also would be great. And again, checking how do you find the quality of my speed? Is it good enough, or please let me know and give me a feedback if you think that I am talking too fast or too slow, so I can adjust my speed. So generally speaking, standards are documented agreements which they have technical specifications, or there are other precise criteria which are used consistently, such as rules, guidelines, or definitions of characteristics to ensure that materials, products, processes, and services are all fit for that specific purpose. So, for example, the format of the credit cards, phone cards, and smart cards, that they become commonplace, they derive from the international standard like ISO. And adhering to this standard, which they define these features as an optimal thickness, for example, 0.76 millimeter, means that the cards can be used worldwide. So international standards contribute to making life easier and to increasing the reliability and effectiveness of the goods and services that we use. So standards basically for documentation, equipment, appliances, and devices of an installation are necessary for reasons such as to ensure a uniform and consistent approach to the production of documentation, ensuring that the documentation is universally understandable and usable. And also conformity of documentation throughout the plant, which reduces the frustration by technical staff of having to try and understand the designer's approach. And to ensure that all vendors know what is required from them to ensure that their documentation is in line with the clients. But who sets the standard? You have heard of ISO, which is the International Standard Organizations. And again, sorry, before I keep going, I see the student has joined the class. Welcome to the session. I don't see any comments from you. So I'm just wondering if you all can hear me, or you have any trouble. I would like to see a few comments from you. I will just explain if what's the job that you are doing and why you need this course certificate, which helped me basically to go through a bit more in detail, so in the future I can tailor it a bit better. Ross, thanks for your feedback. Me, great, thanks very much. Where are you, Ross? Which area are you located in? Mahdi Davari. Ross is in Perth, all right? So you are my neighbor, that's fine. I'm actually based in New South Wales, Australia. I see that, oh, Kevin Sweeney is in Dubai. All right, yeah. Enjoy the hot weather there, Kevin. From Brisbane is Kishi, right? All good. Mahdi Davari is from Iran. Mahdi, where are you located in at the moment? um, and Ahmed as well. Okay, all of you, thanks very much for the feedback. Mahdi is in Saudi Arabia. All right, all good, all good. Thank you very much for the feedback, and yeah, all the best. And thank you for your feedback. And I wish you basically all success and luck with all the courses that you are having. I'm sure that you may have a few more courses with EIT. And please feel free to send me email to my email address that you have in relation to any queries with this course certificate. That would be great. So the IEC is the leading global organization that prepares and publishes international standards for all electrical, electronic, and related technologies. And it serves as a basis for national standardization and as references when drafting international tenders and contractors is required. So by its members, the IEC promotes international cooperation on all questions of electrotechnical standardization and related matters. For example, the assessment of conformity to standards in the fields of electricity, electronics, and related technologies. So the IEC Charter, basically, it embraces all electrotechnologies, including electronics, magnetics, and electromagnetics, electroacoustics, multimedia, telecommunications, and energy production and distribution, as well as all the associated general disciplines such as terminology and symbols for electromagnetic capability, measurement and performance, dependability, design and development, and also safety and the environment. So the standards include basically the IEC, which is International Electrotechnical Commission, ISA, which is Instrument Society of America, and ASME, which is American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Basically, they develop these drawing standards.